everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, asa kalaman thang na boyba mazangi dong isino ne ang mazangi na dong. Jeng dayo ne Zubeen Garg ko na idang Zubeen Garg Bhartiya mall guys. Dini program dong Sunday special dini program Wow. So guys, jeng bidibla thang na gerbai dayo program naide noisor video ko nalangbai thabano jabai onnanai jobjasim. Zubeen Garg नै बे भारतीय मॉल फैगोन बेंगलर आरो बेयो मोनसे निकोहम खाथियाव दा नोंथांमोनाबो आंजों लोगोसे भिडिअखौ नायनो गोसोबा नायनो हागोन जोंहा जुबिन गार्गखौ जों ओरैनो थास्लायस्लाय दिनै सानडे नालाय ओमफ्राय बेरायथावथाव ओमफ्राय दायो जों थांनो नागिरबाय स' गाइस नोंथांमोना भिडिअखौ नायलांबाय थाबानो जाबाय बिदिब्ला अननानै
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the now.
So guys, अभी हम लोग पहुंच गया ये पार्किंग में जाने वाला है पार्किंग में आ रहा है अभी ये देखो पार्किंग गाँव में है गाँव में
Mas sekali gini nggak boleh.
Wow, जों नै दा बिराद गाहायाव दं लोगोफोर ओरैजाय नै बिथिंजाय ट्रेन्सफर्म ओहो जों गोजौआव थांगासिनो नै दायो बेहाय बाहेरायाव ओंखारलांखानोसै दा Forever. Ôi anh đi đông lagi dah.
마야비리 라디를 붓고 컵바로 두번 소리 너라디란 고거래하기 오래버리고 오래버리고
Our hero has come to the stage. Make some big noise for Zubeen Garg, the musical god of Assam, my friend, our friend of Alive India from last 15 years, the brand ambassador of Alive India, and from Bhartiya Mall of Bengaluru, we welcome Zubeen Garg celebrating his 30 years of music. Hi everyone.
Thank you very much for your love and support. We're in Bhartiya Mall, Bengaluru. For the second time I'm singing here. And all these years, all these 30 years, my journey in music and film industry, and you've all supported. So yes, my friends are celebrating here my 30 years of journey. They said, why not Bengaluru? I said, okay, I'll come. I always love Bangalore, performing here, many shows I did. And yesterday also I was here, and we had a good time here. I slept a lot today because I was tired because of my journeys and all. Tomorrow again I'm going to go better for some shots and all. So thank you very much. I'll start one of my recent favorite song which I made. It's a very popular number there. It's called Bhartiya, the shooting star. And today I'm not with my original band, all new guys playing with me from here basically. And only Shekhar is there from Assam. He's my right hand. He works with me for my films and everything. On stage he plays. So it'll be a little different. Stage one, enjoy some more.
Vande Mataram video. Vande Mataram video. Ritu.
Wow, so guys, finally जों दायो नै ओंखारबाय नायनानै थांसिगोन आरो दायो। Wow, wow. मा लानोसै पार्किंआव फैबाय जों दायो पार्किंआव गारि लानानै ओंखारलांसिगोन एकदम बेसेबांबा गायावसो गाइस पार्किं लानाय बिना बिरियानी
Food like not biryani.
जाग्रायाबो
Masala rice dishes.
जानोसैलाय बिरियानी गोथावनो जोङो नायना फैनानै जाबाय जानानै दसेनि उनाव ओंखारलांफिनसिगोन दायो न'आव थांसिगोन आरो जों दायो जागासिनो नै बिरियानी अ माय गड गोथावानोमोन चिकेन बिरियानी आरो ललिपप जासिगोन गाइस नै ललिपप बिरियानी जाग्रोना लानि र' एसे स' लोगोफोर आङो फार्स्ट जाखांगोरबाय जाखांनानै ओमफ्राय नैबे मसालाफोरखौनो जालाबायबाय खुगा बोरैबा मोननायनिमोन नै जोंना पार्टनारा जागासिनो बे लास्ट जाबाय आंजों गारलांजाबाय आं अभार स्पिड जाबाय बे बिराद लासै जादों थारमाने मेंबायना प्रग्राम नायनानै ओंखायनो लासै जाबाय बियो आङो फार्स्ट जाखांबाय स' लोगोफोर भिडिअखौ बेयावनो फोजोबनोसै बाय बाय